Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Supari. Today we are going deep into the world of affiliate marketing. I've been receiving a ton of comments lately, all asking the same burning question. Is affiliate marketing the easy way to make money online? And let me tell you, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Yeah, the idea of flexible hours and making money while you sleep sounds great. But there are some not so glamorous truths that those flashy videos often skip over. So let's break it down in simple terms. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my own strategy, my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from home, then I request you to please click the first link in the description. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. First off, let's talk about the fact that everyone and their grandma seems to be into affiliate marketing these days. It's like a big market with tons of stalls in it, all selling similar stuff. So standing out can be a bit of a challenge, but don't worry at all. You just gotta find your own cool way of promoting things. Get creative and be yourself. It might take some time, but with a bit of a practice, it'll come naturally. Next on the list, we have got affiliate program pitfalls. Imagine working hard and getting people to click on your links, and then bam, you check your affiliate program dashboard and it shows 0 sales. Hurting, right? So make sure tracking systems can be a bit wonky, and some programs might change the rules or delay payments, leaving you scratching your head. The trick is to find affiliate programs that actually care about you. Lucky for you, I've got my favorite strategy from first link in the description. So I'm inviting you. If you're interested, then you can please get registered and watch the presentation. Now, let's not forget the legal stuff. You got to be upfront with your audience. Okay? If you're making money when they buy something through your link, spill the beans. Just keep an affiliate disclosure stating I might receive a commission with no extra cost to you. Failing to do this can lead to fines and legal headaches. So always keep it real, especially in tricky niches like health and finance. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Please keep this in mind. And making false claims is a surefire way to land in hot water. And here comes the main point in affiliate marketing is building a system. It involves several key components. The merchant or the party that creates the product is one of the main actors in the affiliate marketing process. The affiliate, also known as the publisher, promotes the merchant's product or service. Additionally, there are affiliate networks that serves as intermediate between affiliates and merchants. So to succeed in affiliate marketing, it's important to choose a specific niche, creating engaging content, and also the system. Why? Because according to me, systems work, people fail. And optimize your online platform for relevant keywords. There are various affiliate programs available, and it's essential to select the ones that aligns with your niche and targeted audience. Some popular niches for affiliate marketing includes construction, technology, love and relationship, home and garden, make money online, and health, wealth and wellness. When building an affiliate marketing system, it's crucial to focus on generating targeted traffic and providing valuable content to your audience. Just imagine, guys, if an ordinary Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these kinds of systems as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And guys, if you're really interested in creating your own affiliate marketing system, there are resources available such as online courses that can teach you how to build an affiliate marketing system using various platforms. And if you're really interested in my strategy, my own way to make money online, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description and watch the 2 hours presentation. And as I promised, I would also like to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. So as you can see on the screen, there are 4 different programs, and the first one is called the Launchpad Secrets, and this program would be helping individuals to start their own affiliate marketing journey, and finally they'll come to learn how to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate. And the second program is Get More YouTube Views Organically, and this program would be helping individuals to start their own YouTube channel and grow accordingly, and with the help of affiliate marketing they can even earn more money. And the third program is the Stash Show Method. This program helps individuals to start their own dietary supplement business from comfort of their home without any inventory or without any product. And the fourth program is 7 ways to get your first 5 clients. And this is for those who would like to start their own agency or do some freelance kind of work. I'm going to give away this complete bundle absolutely for free. So to gain access to this bundle, you need to visit the first link in the description, watch the complete 2 hours presentation, or else you can just copy the URL which is popping on the screen, and you can directly get registered to my community and access this complete bundle. As building a successful affiliate marketing system involves understanding the key components of the process, choosing the right niche and creating valuable content to attract and engage your audience is very important. So there you have it, guys, the not so pretty truths about affiliate marketing. But don't let that scare you off. If you're keen on finding the fastest route to success in affiliate marketing, then I request you to please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. I guess it might be shining. So go ahead and please do subscribe. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you also get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. Let's tackle the affiliate marketing together. Meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.